everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rihanna, aka Beauty in Color. Today I'm just going to be deep conditioning using my Taura Amrore Collections deep conditioner, the MACANET deep conditioner. This is what the bottle looks like. Every time I try to show something on here, it just does not. Okay. Either way, it just says MACANET deep conditioner. Has alkanet root and maca root in it. So this is what it looks like. It's pink. I'm gonna try to show you. Okay, that's better. So it's pinkish. It smells kind of like some type of smoothie or something. I really can't put my hands on it, but it smells really good. I like the smell. As far as the consistency goes, well, let me just, first of all, let me just get my section separated. Okay, so I can actually just go ahead and start. Okay, so let's look at this consistency, y'all. Okay, so where is my, oh, whatever. So it is a very creamy. That is great. I feel like you don't need a lot either. So yeah, that goes on. Nice. So I'm just gonna apply. It's very creamy. This is a very creamy deep. I hope this is a deep conditioner. What if this was like the twisting cream or something? Okay, yeah, it's the deep conditioner. But I love the way this feels on my hair already. I actually just finished washing with the MACANET shampoo, and it was amazing. So I'm excited about this line. And there. Simple, simple, simple. It has great slip and it smells wonderful. I'm just gonna put a little more on my roots. Make sure all of it is distributed. And then we're just gonna twist that up. My hair is gonna, like, I can't wait to show you guys how my hair looks after I rinse this out and while I rinse it out, because this is gonna be, I can just tell that it's gonna be amazing. I can just feel it. Like, this is like, look at this. Like, you can't, yeah, I can't see, but it's super creamy. Like, this is a really creamy deep conditioner. If you're a person that likes creamy deep conditioners, I definitely recommend getting this MACANET deep conditioner. I will link the website down below. I also have a discount code. I will actually link my personal link down below, so that way you can just, the coupon code will automatically be applied at checkout, which I think is a great feature. See, like, oh, amazing. Oh. That looks great. Like, I love this right now. I'm obsessed. This is a really good deep conditioner. All right, so for the rest, I'm just gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna show you all how I finished deep conditioning. Okay, so my hair is all deep conditioned. I love this on my hair. Like, I'm really obsessed right now how good this feels. So what I'm gonna do right now is I am gonna take a plastic cap. Wow. I actually got these. This is a big old cap. I didn't even know it was extra large. But I got these caps at the beauty supply the other day. They're $1. And I really did not know they were this big. Now I'm gonna have to start getting these because the other ones that I usually get from like Walmart, they're little and I have a big head. But look at this. Oh yes. So if you're someone that like me that has a lot of hair, make sure you get one of these extra large. All right, but again, so for this deep conditioning session, I used the MACANET deep conditioner from Taura Amrore. I like this cap, y'all. Like I'm loving this cap. I have to reuse that. Do you reuse your plastic caps? I mean, I know it seems kind of stupid because it is only $1, but sometimes I feel like I'm wasting it when I just throw them away. Either way. So again, I did use this deep conditioner. This is by Taura Amrore, MACANET deep conditioner. Again, I will link my discount link down below. So make sure to check that out to save on your purchase. And so I'm gonna leave this on. It does say to leave on. It says after shampooing, apply all over your hair and comb brush through with a proper detangling tool. Cover hair with plastic cap for 15 to 30 minutes. Can be used with or without heat. Rinse thoroughly for external use only. So I'm gonna do it for about 30-45 minutes. Because honestly, I never really do it for 30 minutes. I always like kind of forget about it. I love this deep conditioning. I mean, this processing cap though, like this is literally the best one I've had. I'm just a little obsessed. But you can already see, like, you really should use caps, because if you can see the mist, I already have like some steam in there, so I feel like that's just helping my hair penetrate. So I'm gonna come back in 30 minutes and I will show you all how I rinse out this deep conditioner so you can see how my curls pop once the product is rinsing out.